Morning to all. Now I'm going to tell you the major actual reason for the global warming and decrease in amount of rain on earth, which no scientist found till now. As we all know, our earth contains 71% of water and 29% only land. In that water, 96.5% water is seawater. The heat of the sunlight warms the water and it vaporizes water. The process is called evaporation and is also the trees evaporate water molecules to air through its leaves. Evaporation by trees is the main thing which keeps the environment cool. The evaporated water particles will go up far from the earth's surface. As far it go, the temperature will go down and the evaporated water particles will form clouds of tiny water particles. This process is called condensation, opposite to evaporation. As the water particles in the cloud stick each other, water particle size will increase and weight also. The heavy water drops forms in clouds and the drops will start falling down because of gravity. This process continuously happens, that is, water on earth continuously undergo through this cycle. Now it's the time to think how the amount of rain reduced. Same amount of water still on earth, but why less amount of rain we are getting? As energy, water also can't create and can't be destroyed. So, where the water gone? All say deforestation is the main reason for this. But I say no, because trees not making water, it only evaporates it. So the main reason will be absence of water from this cycle of evaporation, cloud formation and rain. Yes, the absence of water in the natural rain cycle is only because of packed water by human beings. Packed water means we forcefully removed water from nature and kept it in a container so that it lost contact with nature. Examples of packed water are mineral water in bottle, which we get in 500 ml to 20 liters of bottles. All bottles, beverages like Coke, Pepsi, soda, beer, etc., they are also packed water. And the third one is closed water tanks, which is there on top of our building. In all these cases, water is enclosed in a chamber which is not allowing water to contact nature and also not allow to evaporate. Now I will explain how it reduces our rain amount. The world population, yes, we know before we before the old ages we used well to take water. We use the amount of water which we required only. But nowadays we take water and store it in a tank on top of our buildings. The world population is 743 crore 26 lakhs 63,000 and 275. If we take 50% of people have water tanks of minimum capacity 40 liter, then 14,865 crore liter of water we are keeping in tanks, which is not allowed to become clouds. If we take mineral water plants in India, there is 5842 registered water packaging units here. A smallest mineral water plant produces 30,000 liters of water packed in a day. So, if we calculate, in India 35 crore liter water is getting packed in a day. Packed bottles will reach people at least after 2 days. So they will remain in bottle only. Minimum 60 crore liter water is in bottles only in India. In world, more than 175 brands of mineral water company is available. One brand can have multi production units also. So now we can imagine at least 10,500 crore liter of water is kept in bottle all over the world. It's a minimum figure I'm saying. And if we calculate the Pepsi, Coke, beer and other beverages, it will reach near to the same figure. The solution for this problem are reduce the packed water production over all the world, not only in one country, and ban the Pepsi, Coke, Mirinda and other companies which makes unhealthy drinks. And for the water tanks, you have to keep the water tanks open so that by the sun heat, water can become vaporized and it can produce clouds. And please give suggestions for my project, and if you feel it's right, please share it to others till it reach the notice of rulers of the world. Thank you.